Lot 206 is one of the most accessible ways to get into a racing red Italian sports car, the 1961 Alfa Romeo Giulietta Spider. I really can't say it better than our writers. A classic example of al fresco Italian motoring. There you go. They've done a wonderful job with this.
They've done a wonderful job. And you have as well, Alan. Ladies and gentlemen, the Giulietta Spider coming up on stage. Let's open the bidding here. Should we say $40,000 on the little Alfa Giulietta? It's like a small Ferrari California Spider. $40,000 now. Opening bid of $40,000 now. 30,000, thank you. 30,000 on my right at 30,000, and I'm selling the car already at $30,000. Do I have 40 anywhere now? Well, I'm selling on my right at 40,000, thank you, in the front row, at 40,000. There it comes, the little Giulietta, at 40,000. Do I have 50 anywhere now? Do I have 50 anywhere now? 50,000, thank you, sir. In the blue at 50,000, now 60. Now 60. I've got 50 bid here, do I have 60? 60, thank you, Barney. At 60,000, do I have 70 anywhere now? 65, thank you, 65. Now $70,000 anywhere now. I've got 65 bid, do I have 70 anywhere? Well, at 65, it's Barney's bid. Do I have 70? 70,000. Thank you, Barney. You might have come up here and do my job. $70,000. I have you and Barney at 70,000. 75. Anywhere now? Well, at 70. 75,000. Thank you. It's all happening over here at 75,000. Do I have 80 now? At $75,000. Do I have 80? Well, at $75,000 that I'm going to sell. It's going to go for the first time at 75,000. I can't take 2.5s. I would love to. 80,000. Thank you. 80,000 on my right here at 80,000. Do I have 85? Do I have 85? I've got 80,000 on my left. Do I have 85 now? Well, at $80,000, I'm going to count it down. It's going to go for the first time right here. At 80,000, it's going to go for the second time, third, and the last time at $80,000. Sold your car. Well done. 4271, $80,000.